No longer confined to territories here on Earth, Russia has now staked its claim on Venus, saying it is a Russian planet. This week, Dmitry Rogozin, head of Russian space corporation Roscosmos, revealed that the country plans to send its own mission to Venus in addition to Venera D, the planned joint mission with the US. The Russian state news agency TASS reported. Rogozin was addressing reporters at the Heli Russia 2020 exhibition, an international expo of the helicopter industry in Moscow. Resuming, Venus exploration is on our agenda, he told reporters Tuesday. We think that Venus is a Russian planet, so we should not lag behind, he said. Projects of Venus missions are included in the United Government Program of Russia's space exploration for 2021 to 2030. The statement came the day after scientists revealed that a gas on Earth called phosphine has also been detected in the atmosphere of Venus. Venus is similar in size to Earth and is our closest planetary neighbor, but it spins backward compared to other planets. According to the European Space Agency, the Russians do have significant experience when it comes to Venus. Its website states between 1967 to 1984, Venusian studies carried out in Russia were at the forefront of international research into this planet. Since then, Russia has still preserved its unique expertise in designing and developing landing craft for Venus and continues to define scientific tasks for those craft.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.